We are going to see inheritance concept, deriving class from existing class known as inheritance, existing class called as parent class, derived class called as child class. Go to transaction code SC24 to create global inheritance. Enter the class name, click on create. I'll say parent. Uncheck the final. If you check the final, you cannot inherit the class. Click on save. I'll take three attributes, v1, v2 and v3. Instance I'll take. Visibility as take it as private to understand the concept. Go to methods and take it as constructor, importing parameter im underscore vn, im underscore v2, pass by value, optional, type as integer, save it, click on back. I implement the constructor method. Say write parent instance constructor v1 equal to im underscore v1. I'm assigning values v2 equal to im underscore v2. Save it. Take one more constructor, static constructor. We cannot assign parameters to this classic constructor. Let's say class constructor and destructor do not have any parameters and exceptions. Double click on this. Let's say right. Parent static constructor I'll take one public method, for instance public, I'll say v3 equal to v1 plus v2. Write the result. Parent total v3. Save it. Check this. No syntax error. Activate the class. Now we are going to create child class. Click on create child. Click on this button, create inheritance. Enter the parent class name. Either you can uncheck final or keep as it is. Automatically constructor and add constructor already assigned here. If you check attributes, there is no attributes now. double click if you double click here, method constructor is implemented in the parent class. It shows already implemented in parent. If you want to create constructor or static constructor in child class, you need to create again. Do you want to copy across the signature? I say super constructor, yes. Signatures are copied here. I'll try to reassign values here. IAM underscore v1 is equal to, I'll say IAM underscore v1, v2 equal to IAM underscore v3, v2. Save it, check it. What it says, v1 and v2 is unknown. Why? v1 and v2 are the private attributes, you can see, right? And v3 also private attributes. Derived class can access only public and protected attributes or methods of parent class, not private attributes. What I'll do, I'll reassign as protected. Now activate parent class. Now come to the child class. Save it. Come back once. Save it here also. Now check the attributes. See, the attribute also come here in child class. Before the attribute was not there. Now I'll try to create. Okay. Now I'll save and click on check. What it says, the constructor method, instance attribute, instance methods or me can be accessed only after the constructor of the superclass. Super constructor is called. You must call when you create the inheritance. You must call the superclass constructor also. What is it? Call method super. Super is the keyword to call parent class method or constructor. I'll pass my values here. IAM underscore v1 is equal to IAM underscore v1 I pass. IAM underscore v2 is equal to IAM underscore v2. Save it, check it. Superclass, what is it? Just before this, want.com. Now I'll give one message here before call, after calling this. Write child instance constructor. Activated. Similarly, like try to create class constructor. See one more thing now. I tried to call same thing method super of class constructor. What gives error? Super cannot be specific within static methods. We cannot call this like this. okay, because it's class specific. I say right child static method, static constructor. Save it. And there is one method. I want to redefine this add method. Select this method and click on this button, redefine method, and we need to call this super add. I'll say v3 is equal to v1 plus v2 plus 100. I'll give to understand purpose, and say write child total v3. Click on save. Check it, there is no syntax error. Activate it. Now what we'll do, create one class sc38, click on create. To understand the concept, I'll take two objects obj1 type ref2 gcl underscore child, another object obj2 type ref2 gcl underscore child. Start of selection, create object obj1 activated. First called parent static constructor, after that child static constructor. The priority goes to static constructor first, after that parent instance constructor, second child instance constructor. I'll pass my parameters to export. im underscore v1 is equal to 2, im underscore v2 equal to 3. Now I'll call the method, call method obj1 add, save it, check it, activate it, execute. What it says? Say parent static constructor first, child constructor, parent instance constructor, child instance constructor. After that priority goes to parent, and after that child total. Again I'll create the object for second. Create object obj2, save it, check it, activate it, execute. What is this? First parent, second static is for first object, and this is for second object. Yes, sir. Exporting im underscore v1 equal to 4, im underscore v2 is equal to 5. Call method obj2 add, save it, check it, activate it, execute. Parent static method and child static constructor only once it called. After that we can see parents instance constructor, parent child instance constructor, total parent and child. Again it called parent instant constructor, not static constructor. Static instant constructor, parent total and child. Instant constructor called only once when the class is loaded. Okay, thank you.